Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if the touchpad is not working on your Windows. So for that, without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. Click on Device Manager under the Best Match. Now here in the Device Manager window, you need to locate the mice and other pointing devices and make sure to update each of the mouse driver that you have. Make a right click, select Update Drivers, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. Also do this for the second one. Make a right click, select Update Drivers, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. And you will find the human interface devices. Click on this drop down arrow and you'll find your touchpad driver, this one, touchpad driver. So what you can do, so you might have a different name or you might have a different touchpad driver, but the process is just the same. So what you can do is simply make a right click, select update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. Then you can also update it manually. Make a right click, then you have to select this one, update driver, and then browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then you have to choose one by one. So let's say, for example, we have the HID compliant touchpad, and you have to click on next. And if this isn't working, then you can choose the second one or the first one. Click on next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this. And you just need to restart afterwards. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And still, if that isn't working, then you can find again your touchpad. Make a right click, then you have to select uninstall device. Click on uninstall. And then you just have to click on the action and click on scan for hardware changes. So you have to do that for like 3 times. And you'll find the touchpad driver again. Or you can also restart your Windows. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, then the driver that you have uninstalled will be reinstalled again. And after that, your touchpad issues will be fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.